Every technology changeover opens a window of business opportunity, as demonstrated tonight in our weekly segment feature, The Young and Industrious. It is a story about Sospeter Kimani, a graduate teacher turned businessman who is making a living out of replacing the old motor vehicle registration number plates with the new plates as required by the National Transport and Safety Authority. Here now is that story as filed by our reporter Ian Muse.
This dusty path off the Ngong Road adjacent to the NTSA headquarters in Kenya's capital, Nairobi, is not a parking lot. Not at all. This is Sospeter Kimani's business area, where he makes a living out of fixing the new motor vehicle registration number plates.
Tumekuwa hapa for the last 1.5 years since the new number plates they started.
Once a vehicle arrives, the process starts with removing the old registration number plates.
These customers who are the clients, wenye wanatoka huko wanakuja hapa NTSA kuchukua namba zao, huwa tunawafungulia magari zao na pia huwa tunawafitia, na sometimes tunawauzia mwenye anataka kuuziwa plate holders tunawauzia.
A drilling machine is used to pop out the screws off the old plate, and this may come with other damages such as breaking the bolt, which is replaced. The new plates are fixed on a plate holder and drilled with a riveting gun before being mounted onto the vehicle. Some reflective plates may need to be cut into two in order to fit appropriately on the car, a service that Kimani and his team offer effortlessly.
Hatutegemei kwenda maofisi. Hatutegemei kwenda kuandikwa makampuni kubwa hapana. Sisi tunajua kazi ya kujituma. That's why tuko hapa na tumejituma vilivyo. Kama sisi vijana zote wako hapa. Wamasai wameachana ng'ombe, wamekuja hapa. Juu kazi inalipa. Ni ukweli. Wakisiwa wako hapa. Kabila wote wako hapa. Hakuna kabila hako hapa. Hata Wakaba. Sisi wote tuko hapa tufanye hii kazi, na hii kazi inalipa na kujituma ndio form.
To have the new registration number plates fixed, a customer pays Kimani and his team between 500 to 1,500 shillings, depending on the amount of work involved.
Pesa pia is reasonable what they're charging. I paid only 1,500 for my aluminium packed number plates with riveting, 300, which is fair. Wanapata chakula.
To acquire the new set of number plates from the NTSA, each motorist pays 3,050 shillings to the government. However, clients with multiple vehicles says there is need for the government to allow enough changeover time from the old to new plates.
Well, we can say they're hustling in a positive way. Here it is. Now waendelee, and I think that NTSA should not close it quickly. Let the cars be registered. It's a good thing. It's a revenue earner anyway. So it's good for them, and it falls down revenue to the young boys hapa. Wanajikaza. It's good.
Kimani acknowledges the number of customers may be low from time to time, but his team has created ways to cope with the challenge.
The outcome ya customers imekuwa kidogo, but the moment messages imetumwa atupatangi time ya kupumzika. Even now you can see my boys are busy here. Hakuna mtu anapumzika. At least kila kijana anapata kitu ya kukula.
Sospeter and his team of 5 assistants is gender inclusive and has created chamas and self-help groups where they contribute monthly to secure their future in case of any changes in the business.
Tumeanza hata kachama na hapa na wao, whereby we do contribute 500 every day, everyone. Hii chama, the way we do it, ni vile I'm encouraging them, ni vile tu tunapata pesa kidogo. Ikifika ni wakati ya biashara inaisha, we will be having a share. At least kila mtu nikiona mtu ameenda amefungua biashara yake mahali, it will be my happiness.
The government is yet to issue the new deadline for motor vehicle registration number changeover after the initial one lapsed in April 2024. A graduate teacher from Kenyatta University, Sospeter Kimani, taught for 2 years before quitting to embark on business. He is married and a father of 2. An opportunity it is for Kimani and his team as they make a living out of this venture. Reporting for Young and Industrious, I'm Ian Muse.